Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I made my collie twist crochet. I had some thread tied to the table to enable me to twist my extension. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I had my expression, I had already picked it, so right now I'm fixing it to the table, to the thread rather, for easy access to twisting. So I've put enough expression on the thread. What I'll be doing right now is just to rub some cream oil on the expression, just for it to be slicky while I'm twisting it. After brushing, I'll start twisting the hair. And make sure the hair is twisted in a loose twist, not a tight twist. So watch me while I go on with the twisting. So right now I'm done with the twisting. So the next step is just to curl our twist. So we'll be needing some straws and some bobby pins for us to curl it. So right now I'm done with the curls. You can see it's looking good. We are almost there. So what I'll do now is just to put it inside the hot water to activate the curls well. I'll be applying a deep-in conditioner into the hot water just to reduce the frizziness of the expression. So I left it in the hot water for a few minutes and I drained the water. I placed the collie twist on a towel just to dry it a little bit. As you can see, we are almost there. So after drying it for a while, I applied some mousse. Mousse makes it hold well. It makes your curls hold well. So after applying the mousse, I left it overnight for it to dry naturally. I don't want to apply hot air on it. So this is the result I got in the morning. You can see the twist looks so good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and do well by subscribing to my channel. Bye.